Could this actually be the end of Uber? You do not want to miss this video, my friends. This is huge, huge breaking news. We're gonna dive into it today. You could potentially need to sign up for another platform because Uber could be ending, and I'm not exaggerating. So thumbs up the video. It's super helpful to do that so more people can see the video. Before we get started, I want to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is helping Uber drivers and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. They are helping drivers make 4% APY interest. There's no fees on overdraft up to $200, and you get cash back on your gas. Current is the future of banking. Use my link below to lock in those offers. It's free to sign up. They'll give you a free debit card. I use Current right here, have the app right here on my phone, and I even tried setting up putting $100 in my account, and I'm already gaining interest. I already made 39 cents. I'm gonna start putting in more money. So check out Current down below. It's super awesome. And now let's get started. So Uber and DoorDash workers are reeling from high gas prices, saying costs of driving have devoured earnings. I wanna hear from you. If you're driving any of the gig apps, have you noticed that your profit has gone down with gas prices? Drivers for Uber and Lyft say their profits have shrunk considerably. Data shows earnings have stayed mostly flat for drivers across both rideshare and delivery, even as gas prices rise. So gas prices are going way up, but earnings are staying the same. So what does that mean? It means you're making less money. One driver says his profit per mile has shrunk from 23 cents down to 8 cents per mile. Denise Smith, who is a part-time Uber driver, says she has seen her profits dwindle. In January, Smith, who drives weekend earned evenings in the greater Chicago area, was bringing in around $200 to $300 a week. Her gas bills were around $40 to $60. In May, her weekly gas costs shot above $100, but her revenue was mostly flat. She's tried all kinds of programs and hacks to help offset the prices. She uses Gas Buddy. She should be using Current. Smith, if you're watching this, sign up. Denise Smith, sign up for Current. They're gonna pay you like up to 18 cents back per gallon. When you need the Current debit card though, it's free to sign up. Sign up, guys. Use Current debit card. She uses Gas Buddy, the app-based rewards program that helps drivers save money at the pump. She fills her tank up halfway during her shifts, an unproven strategy for fuel efficiency. It's funny that Business Insider's like hating on her. That's probably not why she does it. She probably fills it up halfway because she can't afford to fill up her gas tank all the way. But the bottom line is that the bottom line is worse these past 3 months. My profit has gone down drastically, she told Insider. That gas prices have been skyrocketing across the country over the past few months is no surprise to anyone calculating their expenses. The average price for a gallon of gas is currently $5 across the US, up 7% from the last month and more than 60% from last year according to AAA. For rideshare and delivery drivers who rely on their vehicles for income, this has greatly reduced earnings in an already often stretched thin job, according to industry data and interviews with half a dozen drivers. Other issues around inflation, like the cost to repair a broken down car or leasing a new car for the purpose of doing gig work, eat into profits as well. On the gas front, Uber and DoorDash have put programs in place to help drivers. Fuel surcharges and debit cards with cash back, but many workers say profits simply aren't what they used to be. Now, Uber does provide Teslas to drivers, and the only way I would see that as being good is if you have an at-home charger, because even electricity prices have gone up through the roof. So if you have an at-home charger for your Tesla, and you don't need the Tesla charger, you just need an adapter. It's called a 220 volt, something like that. Get the adapter in your car, in your garage or in your apartment complex. A lot of apartment complexes have that now, so talk to them and considerably think about getting a Tesla from Uber to drive rideshare if this is what you want to do. Because that's the only way to get around these gas prices, unless you're driving a Prius. Even then. On the gas front, Uber and DoorDash have put programs in place, blah, blah, blah. The data from the gig companies as well as third-party firms tell them more complicated stories. Listen to this. Uber shared driver earnings data with Insider that showed drivers' median hourly earnings from January to June increased by about 18% or more across a few major metro regions to as high as $35. Yeah, so seems really high. What is your average earnings, and is it worth it? Average per hour earnings. So anyways, want to make this quick video. Again, sign up for Current using my link below. As you can see, it's working for me. I put in $100 and I'm starting to earn interest. And yeah, you can join too, get cash back on your gas with Current. They can also get you paid up to 2 days faster. There's no fees or account minimums. And they also have a bunch of ATMs where there's no fees when you pull money out of your account. So I'm probably gonna be I already am using Current, but once I get my debit card, I'm probably only gonna be using Current because I love it. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.